Out of the 5 finalists, you are the weaker singer, but I think you probably knew that.
Right.
So there is a question mark as to why we would put you through, so why should we?
Can you just give me a second?
Yeah, of course. Take your time. Don't worry.
People have told me that I have a really special voice, and I thought, well, maybe, you know, I don't hear it sometimes, but maybe somebody else would. But now that you've said that, then I don't think it's fair to the others that I go through. And I feel like I wouldn't want to let you down.
I know that. Don't worry.
Keep singing like they know the score.